Understanding production goals in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, production goals. This is a term you might encounter in business, education, and personal development contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means. Production goals is a compound noun, consisting of two words, production and goals. Production refers to the process of creating, manufacturing, or generating something. Goals are targets or objectives that one aims to achieve. Together, production goals are the targets set for the amount or quality of goods or services to be produced within a certain time frame. In different contexts, production goals can have slightly varied meanings. In business, it refers to the targets set for manufacturing products or delivering services. In personal development, it might relate to personal targets, like writing a certain number of pages of a book. In education, teachers might set production goals for students, like completing a project by a certain date. Understanding and setting clear production goals is vital in both business and personal planning. It helps in measuring performance, gauging how effectively a team or individual is working, guiding efforts, providing a clear direction for where efforts should be focused, motivating, serving as a motivational tool to push towards achieving a target. So, there you have it. Production goals are an essential concept in various fields, helping to guide and measure productivity and success. Whether you're in a business setting or working on personal projects, setting clear production goals can be a game changer. Hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.